Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the Easter Egg Melon in Grow a Garden. First, just head over to the crafting area, this one, and then next just tap on select recipe, and then in here you can see the recipe of egg melon, this one. To craft this egg melon, you will need 4 Easter egg melon seeds like this, and which you can buy it from the Easter shop. And in here you also need 1 million shekels like this. So make sure you have enough currency before starting. And once you have everything ready, just tap on craft and the process will be begin, and you will need to wait about 45 minutes. And after that your Easter egg melon will be ready. You will get it instantly without needing to plan anything. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.